also for
imetolewa ni peke.
Keke kando.
Ndio.
Gizzard, that's usually very nice.
No.
Now what you need to do, I'll help you to crack this way.
Yeah.
Oh, no, clean your kitten.
Even last time we had cleaned it, just pass it. Can I help you now?
Oh.
I want to help you crack this way. Sisi kuja ziote moto hapa, hata sijui kuota moto. Cooking the cooking. What is the Nairobi weather, by the way? What? I need to clean the coop. Sasa unajua we supposed to have cracks huku so that wakipoop ina drop. Unajua kaida ya shusha Nyeri?
Eh. Ew.
Imagine this poop is for 3 cuckoos for only 1 night.
One.
Yes, we see for one. These are dogs.
That's a dog cat.
Mtu alienjoy daddy. Just because ameweka kalai. but when you come up,
Ew, yuck. Usishike.
There's no water. So tutaweka hapa imejaa.
Tunaonyesha garden kidogo.
Hizi are garden green last. We planted our sukuma wiki. It's really good. We have some spinach.
Down here there's rosemary.
Lots.
And wait,
Now that it's raining,
look at all of this mint. Let me pluck one you smell. Wait, this one. It smells so good. Yeah, isn't it?
and it's like you have the line. Ama ni ndege.
Ni ndege tulikuja na karen tukapata zimekula.
Eggplant. For anyone who's never, it looks like a weed, but it's actually
Mommy, we have passion.
yeah. But we'll remove it eventually and put it on the wall because it's going to take over that whole place. Itaharibu shamba. Oh, we need some rosemary for the chicken.
That means
No, chicken. Mint is hot.
the chickens are wet. Look at this one. Okay, now move. And you see that one? It's the most mischievous one. It runs very fast.
It's so dirty, man. Now they look dry. Oh, our final product. Is it visible? Let's see the soup. Ooh, yum. So this is how we check for saltiness in Africa. We make some soup from the pot. Yeah, you can see the soup. Shake. Let me show you. Shake. This is to cool it so that it doesn't burn you. I think it's now cool enough. Pick your palm, place it somewhere, then it's really very good. This one. Eee. Can't wait to taste this now. With our favorite meal, which is the ham. So meanwhile, look at the chicken. They are all wet. Where are the other two?
But this one
This one
isn't.
is not bad. But you know what you're going to
Chip.
But what you're going to you're going to light that the grill and you'll use it to warm them. Here they are, and they look so cold because it's
Look.
raining in the rain.
Chip, 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 chip.
So we need to have
Chip, 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 chip. I don't know what the small one is, but yeah. There it is. Chip, 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 chip. There it is. Yeah. Now, it's so warm here. Like I'm telling you, like I feel so warm. You see? Chip, 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 chip. Guys, choma. Yeah, there they are. So we're going to touch your grill. Look, wait, let me zoom in. That one there. Yeah. So look what happened. Disgusting. Tupa tu.